All right, g'day everybody. It's time to catch up on this sea wasp and see where it's up to. Sorry for the delay on this. Life got in the way of playing with this boat and renovating it. Anyway, this boat is up to a stage which is very good now structurally, and I'll put a few videos up to bring you back up to speed. All right, all the best. So these two bulkheads are ready to be epoxied in. This is going to be a anchor locker, and this is just like a platform up the front seat. We'll have a flat top on the whole thing, a hatch here and a hatch here. They're all fitted pretty nicely. So here I have the very forward bulkhead. You can see I've added some tape to the edge here. That is so that once I've glued this into the hull using epoxy resin, I don't end up with epoxy all up on the thermalite itself. I don't want epoxy up on that because it's going to be laminated and tabbed using vinyl ester resin. So there I've applied straight unthickened epoxy to the hull where that bulkhead is going to be installed. That's the unthickened epoxy there. And I've also applied it to the forward bulkhead there where it's going to abut the hull. So now I'll go and mix up some thickened epoxy and install that bulkhead. Okay, so that thickened epoxy is starting to firm up, so I'm going to remove this tape while I still can.